Hi there. Welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here. If you're just starting out or already on your English journey, today's video is going to help you speak more naturally and confidently. Have you ever felt like you understand English but can't quite speak it smoothly? Or like your brain knows the words, but it is still hard for you to speak fluently? Well, today we're talking about a super simple and powerful way to learn English easier, called shadowing. So today I'll teach you how this simple strategy can help you speak English better, almost like magic. Shadowing is when you listen to a native speaker or a recording and repeat what they say at the same time as they say it. It might feel a little odd at first, but trust me, with practice, it works wonders. It helps improve your pronunciation, rhythm, intonation, and even boosts your confidence because you're not just memorizing, you're mimicking real speech. So, alright, let's dive into 5 easy phrases you can start shadowing today. Pause the video if you need to. Speak confidently and say them out loud with me. Phrase 1. I think I'm finally getting the hang of this. I think I'm finally getting the hang of this. Awesome. Phrase 2. It's amazing how much better I sound after just a few days. It's amazing how much better I sound after just a few days. Nicely done. Phrase 3. I used to be nervous speaking English, but now I'm starting to enjoy it. I used to be nervous speaking English, but now I'm starting to enjoy it. Good job. Phrase 4. The more I practice, the more natural it feels. The more I practice, the more natural it feels. Well done. Phrase 5. One day at a time, one sentence at a time, that's how I'm improving. One day at a time, one sentence at a time, that's how I'm improving. Great job. Try each phrase a few times. You'll be amazed how quickly your speaking starts to flow more naturally. Every fluent English speaker started somewhere. So the fact that you're here, practicing and putting in the effort, means you're already on your way. If you found this video helpful, please share the video or leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe if you want more practical English lessons like this every week. Oh, and if you're looking for a fun and easy way to build your vocabulary, check out our English vocabulary app called Translator Pup. It's a simple English learning tool for improving your English vocabulary skills effortlessly. So we'll leave the link in the description. Until next time, guys, keep speaking, keep growing, and remember, your English voice is getting stronger every day.